See a lot of HDMI cables that look great in a box, but try fitting them behind a rack with zero clearance. That's when things get complicated. Bent ports, strained connector heads, and a lot of swearing. At Kordz, we've been in that exact situation, so we fixed it. We've engineered compact connector heads that actually fit in tight spaces without twisting, jamming, or forcing it at the wrong angle. The result? Cleaner fits, faster installs, and a lot less frustration. We call it Kordzifying. It's HDMI, but not as you know it. I invite you to find out more at .com/HDMI.